Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tim from Tim's Electronics Lab, and today we're going to do something special. A friend of mine gave this to me whilst dumpster diving, so we're going to take a look at what's inside the box. Now the box is full of old electronics, so let's check it out. Let me grab the first thing that I see. And that's this thing. It's some kind of networking card. Now there is a letter on the back side. I'm not sure what this is, but I think that's a networking card with a parallel tasking 3COM chip on it. Let me Google this one. Oh, Ethernet Alex PCI. So this was available from 2002. It's a network adapter series, and oh, it's a 10 megabit one, so that's not too fast. Oh no, those are all networking interfaces. It supplies a 15-pin D-sub, BNC, that's this one, and the RJ45, that's the normal Ethernet connection. So this is a very diverse PCI apparatus. Oh, it also it's written on there 10 megabits per second signaling rate. So let's actually Google this chip then. Yeah, this is a this is just the Ethernet chip actually. So yeah, this is a networking card, 10 megabits per second with various options, various connector options, as you can see. So this is useful for removing parts of it, BNCs for example, or the 15-pin D-sub, or the RJ45. I don't think I'll be able to use any of these components that are on the board, but we will see. So next one. Now this is also a 3COM Ethernet interface, but it only features the RJ45. No telephone, it's marked on there, and this is a 100 megabit signaling rate, and it has got some kind of strange connector that's useful, and a thingy. Damn, is this battery powered or something? It's a rather big power device. So yeah, this is the networking controller. I think these are very high-end networking cards. So yeah, nice one. And I've got another one and another one of those old-fashioned ones. This is something newer. It's newer, but it's also 100 megabits a second, but it features a smaller footprint chip. So that's nice. Cool. So now on to the next one, and that is this. A Cisco Systems Cisco AeroNet 350. Now it looks like this is a Wi-Fi PCI board. Yeah, it is a wireless LAN adapter, 2.4 gigahertz, 11 megabits per second. Now this is really old. It's a little bit faster than the Ethernet adapter we just took a look at, but I don't think that this will connect to an existing network anymore, because I think it's using one of the first Wi-Fi protocols, but the device seems to be removable in some way. I think we need to unscrew this first to remove it. Like, oh come on, like that. And now, yeah. Oh, we need to remove the cable. That's a good thing. To remove, there you go, to remove the cable. And now we can just slide out the Wi-Fi card. Oh, this is using the same interface as a this is using the same interface as a CI, common interface card reader for your TV subscription. So I didn't know that they existed. So for the ones at home, and it's a PIX technology, 1996, so that's rather old, made in Singapore. So yeah, let's just slide it back in. And made by Cisco Systems, of course. It was one of the greatest networking gear manufacturers of that time. It was one of the earliest as well, so that makes complete sense. And let's just screw the screw back in and go on to the next one, with the rest falling down my desk, which is another networking card, another 100 megabits per second networking card. Now, this says 64 megabytes SDRAM. This is cool. This is really cool. This is really old, really cool memory. It smells old. Now this is the kind of memory that you find in the command line based systems, not your Windows based system. Well, maybe Microsoft does. 16 megabytes. Wow, that was huge for that time. 8 megabytes. Oh, damn, this chip is made by Siemens. I didn't know they also made RAM chips. Maybe it's proprietary for some PLC or something, I don't know. Toshiba. Gold Star. I don't think... is it written on here? 8 megabytes. Damn, that's a shitload of chips for 8 megabytes. 16. This is 4 megs, I think. Also 4 megabytes and 16. So that is unbelievable. This is really old RAM, and maybe I'm going to be able to use it in some old computer project. So just let me know in the comments down below. Why would you use it for if you've got this RAM available? And maybe I will start a project on that. So fortunately, we got another one of those boxes full of RAM. Now this looks a little newer. This is 64 megabytes. I think it's just DDR RAM. And this won't fit in your current computer. Now this is SDRAM. This is newer RAM. This is newer RAM. 46, 64 max. Hyundai. What Hyundai branded RAM? I didn't know Hyundai made RAM, just like Siemens. This is Hyundai LGS. Nanya. So these are old RAM sticks. Well, newer than the other one, but they're still rather old. So yeah. On to the next one. Now these look promising. This is recent RAM. This is 8 gigs. Well, it says it is 8 gigs, but I'm not sure what's in there. This looks like a well, it is a Kingston one, of course. Let's check the serial number. I think this is 4 gigs because there's a /4G on it, and it doesn't completely match what's on the box. So this is a rather bent 4 gig. I think DDR3 stick. So that's nice. That's nice. There's another 4 of 8 gig box. And this is a 2 gig DDR3, also from Nanya. And this is a 2 gig. This is the same as that one actually. So that's cool. Now put it back like that. Put this back like that. So maybe some RAM extensions for my Home Assistant server. I'm not sure if it needs them. And heatsinks. Now these are always useful. I'm not sure what those screws are. Oh, I think you can remove them. Oh no, you can't. That sucks. That really sucks. That really sucks. These are screw. You know, you need to push them through and screw the heatsink on. But for some kind of project, this is really useful. It will definitely be a custom PCB or something, because yeah, you know, you're not going to fit an ESP8266 on this with those screws. So yeah, I've got 2 of them, and I've got another stick of RAM actually. So that's going inside the box, and now I've got 3 network adapt routers. These are routers. Now the IP address is written on them, but yeah, these are modems, router modems. They convert line and power into Ethernet, and they've got a console connector. Now I'm not sure how fast this is. I don't think this will be 100 megs, because it's got a traffic and collision LED on there supposedly. But let's see what's inside. Oh, there are no screws there. Okay, so where are the screws then? I think those are the light pipes, power switch. Oh, there is I think you need to pop the thing apart. Or something. Without, oh yeah, there you go. Without breaking it, of course. Come on. Yeah, there you go. So I hope that this will open nicely now, but I don't think it will, because something's holding it. Let me check. Oh yeah. This is something as well. think. Come on, come on. Oh, here, I think that I need to put my screwdriver in here as well. Just put in your screwdriver everywhere you can. And connect my camera to the charger. Oh, yeah, I see. That's one. Come on. You can see the things here. Oh, it's almost there. I think if we give it a pull, it will come apart. Oh, in the middle. Something's in the middle. Oh, there is one screw. There's one screw in the middle. So let me check if I can poke through that. Yeah, there you go. Remove the screw. There you go. So that screw is removed. Now, there you go. Bingo. Oh, damn. This PCB looks clean. This is really nice. Oh, look at that chip. That's really big. Now this is proper gear. Oh, the switch. Look at it. It feels awesome. You can see I'm putting force on it right now, and all of a sudden it just goes. Nice capacitors. Nichicon. A 3-volt lithium battery. I'm wondering if it's still got juice in it. Console cable, of course. Damn. Some RAM. And some kind of UART interface, supposedly. Let me remove the PCB to see what's on the back end. Nothing's really there. So what I noticed that there are 2 Intel chips on here. This one and this one. And I think it's has got something to do with the console interface and with the ROM loading and with the Ethernet interfaces. Now this PCB, this looks really good. A huge chip. I like this huge chips. Because you see they're doing something. No, this is proper gear. Well, this used to be proper gear. And multicolor LEDs in one package. There you go. Is my camera going to be able to focus on that one? No. It is. Maybe if I turn the light off. Yeah, there you go. Can I zoom in now? No. There you go. So these are 2 colored LEDs in one package. So that might be useful for some projects. Let's zoom back out. So now I've got 2 more of these, and I'm not going to take them all apart because they're the same. And just put the PCB back in. Now the power connector is really strange. It's a PS2 type connector. For the keyboard and mouse, this one. So I'm not sure how to power it. It says it's from 2000. So no, I'm not sure how to power this one. I think it's yeah, 12 volts DC. Let me check if I can find the right rails. So we might be able to power it on with my lab bench, supposedly. So the ground rail is the easiest one to find. Why isn't my... Oh, I think I left on my multimeter. This one. Alright, so ground. No ground. Okay, ground. Okay, we've got the ground. And now we're going to... Oop. It's the light button. This way. Is it? Oh. This way. So is that the ground one? No, it wasn't the ground one. I think this is the... Yeah, this is the switch. And this is some kind of opto isolator, I think. But if we give power to it, let me remove the PCB like that. I think I'm going to just give it a YOLO try. We've got 3 more, so why not? And like that. Set it to 12 volts. A little bit over 12 volts should be able to handle it properly. A little bit less. 12.4 volts. Okay. So now I'm going to use the YOLO method of just touching the pads and hoping that nothing blows up. And if it does, well, that's really sad. So it's pulling no power. Maybe the power was turned off. Yeah, that's booting up. That is booting up. Look at this. Now I need to be careful to not reverse voltage right now. Look at that. This thing is still rocking, man. Oh, I just rebooted it by accident. Look at the disco. So I think it's waiting for a telephone signal right now. But yeah, it of course doesn't have one. Now the power is not the happiest one. So it's drawing around 200 milliamps. So that's not much. Actually, that's not very much at all. And I think it's doing nothing. I think it just blinked. But hey, that's cool. It still works. It still works. And if we do a reverse polarity test, no, that burns straight through it. Ooh. Alright, that doesn't work anymore. It tries to do something, but that's not working. So I think we should blow it up even more right now, because yeah, it's already half dead. So let's increase the current flow capabilities. And let's just YOLO it. Oh, it's on fire. I think if we push this, we need, oh, the whole pad is molten. And discharge everything and charge it back again. No, it won't power on anymore. Now this one is completely trashed. This just did a self-destruction cycle on its own. And it took the solder pad with it. But I think the rest of the circuit is just fine. I think that the cap is even fine. If I... yeah, it's charging. And I'm not sure if that's discharge right now. No. Let me find the other caps. Oh. Yeah, that was the reverse polarity. Jeez. 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 Oh shit. Holy shit. That scared the hell out of me. Let me zoom out and try to repower the board. And look what happens. Whoop. I need to find a way to clip them on, I think. Until they stay. Turn on off the power first. No. I think it will stay right now. Shit. No. Alright, here we go. It's drawing 6 amps. Holy shit. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Damn. Oh. That smell. Oh, that doesn't smell good. I think that's poisonous as fuck. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to let some air through my room now, because this is not good. And I hope to see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. Make sure to leave a comment down below. You can also share this video with your friends if you think they will like it too. See you next time.